describe each data below for an individual BHCC student as nominal, ordinal, interval, or ratio. Age. So certainly there's a numerical measurement involved, so it's interval or ratio. Is there such an age as 0? And the answer is yes. That's for a newborn. So you have a ratio for age. Ethnicity. That's not numerical, nor is there a real order, so the best we can go with ethnicity is nominal. Income in dollars per year. So this is numerical, so it's either going to be interval or ratio, and there is a amount of 0 if you did not working stay-at-home moms, for example, could be in the numerical measurement of 0, and so there is a value of 0 here, and also it makes sense to say someone making 10,000 makes twice as much as someone making, say, 5,000. So division works. There is a 0. This again is ratio. Hair color. There's no order here, so it's just name only, nominal. Number of courses taken this semester. Numerical, so it's interval or ratio. And is there a 0? Sure, 0 courses. You take a semester off. So the answer is pretty clear on this one, ratio. Body temperature today. So that's numerical. So again, it's interval or ratio. Is there such a thing as a 0 here? Well, there is, however, but if a temperature of 0, well, you'd probably have rigor mortis, right? I mean, you would be frozen. But is that the 0, is it meaningful? Does it mean that there's no such thing as temperature? Another way of looking at it. This one's kind of slick. Is a temperature of, say, 80, twice that of a temperature of 40. Is it twice as hot? And the answer here is no, not really. And so division really doesn't make sense here. This is actually, temperatures are interval. Okay, so the difference between interval and ratio is that in ratio you have a meaningful 0. 0 means sort of an absence of the units, and if there was a temperature of 0, body temperature of 0, God forbid, then does that mean that there's no temperature? No, because it can go further down, right? So that's why it's interval, because it does not have a meaningful 0. Freshman, sophomore. Again, nominal. And recycles at home. Recycles at home, yes or no? And again, I would have to say that that's nominal.